Your fourth race this afternoon is a Grade A, Grade M event, run on the 5/16th. And now, here's Wishbone thereof at the break. It's a 6, 6 and 8, 681, 681, 7, 4, 3, and 5. First turn now is 1, 1, 7, 1, 7, 3, 8. Greyhounds down the back stretch. It's the 1783, 6, 5, and 4. 1, 7, 1, 7, 8, and 3. 1, 7, 8, 3 coming into the final turn and down the home stretch. It's the 1, 7. Here comes the 7 on the outs, trying to make a move. It's the 1, 7. 1, 7, and too close to call between the 3 and 8 for the position to show. 1 to the final pays $10.80. The 1, 7, 7, 1 exacta pays $22.67. Pays $10.